Okay, just want to show a little demonstration of how the roof mount and the panel have been done. I would have loved to show everything from the beginning, but I'm the only one here, so I cannot be working and be doing video at the same time because of the nature of the roof. So just as you were taught, you first of all put the flash band, which is this one, then I put my nail. This is the water nut. The same thing here, same thing applicable here and all to the rest of the roof mount. The same thing with this side. Okay, I want to start laying the panels now, but unfortunately the process will not be shown, but when I'm done I will video it. Okay, let's see the nameplate. Just as we thought. This is the specifications of the panel. This is a 360 watts, 10.2 amps maximum, 35.20. So as you can see, okay, the panels has been mounted all. So the panel is 8 in number. So I've already connected these sides to 2 series, but this side has not been connected. I just want to use this side as an illustration. Okay. Just as you were told, there will be all indication everywhere. See, this is the negative side. Even written here. As you can see, this is the negative side. Negative side. And this is the positive. Snake cleaner. Positive side, as you can see, and it has a red sticker on it. So 2 series. I'm bringing the 2 sides of this one. This is the positive, is the male, negative is the female. So I'm taking female of this side, which is negative, joining it with male of this side, which is positive. As you can see, I'm holding the 2 of them, the 2 that I want to connect. Look at the negative and positive. So it's just like a clip. You just join it. You hear the sound. Just join it this way and clip it. That's just it. So you are now left with one side positive and one side negative. The same thing, I've already done it here already. We'll have one side negative, we'll have this side positive, same thing, negative, positive, same thing, negative, positive. So as it is now, each of them, as we were taught, will give us 10 amps each. That's each of the series, each of the pack of the series. That means these 2 is 10 amps each. But because of the series connection, the voltage increases while the amperage remains constant. So it gives us 10 amps, this gives us 10 amps, this gives us 10 amps, this gives us 10 amps. So for the fact that we have 8 panels, we are going to have 40 amps. And the charge controller we are using downstairs is 60 amps. Don't worry, I will still, when I get done, I will show you guys everything. Okay, so we are done. So after the 2 series, then we do the whole 4 in parallel. That's the 2 series, that's it will now come out 4. Then do the 4 in parallel, giving us 40 amps. Your connection has been done already. Just as we said, everything will be labeled. As you can see, this is for the panels, battery, DC load. This is for the temperature sense. Then the specifications. This is 60 amps, 12 volt, 24 volt, and 48 volts. Then the PV voltage is 150 volt. So with our connection up giving us like about 80 something volts, because it was 2 series. So let's say one is around 38 or so. So the 150 volt is very compatible with it, and 60 amps, while the amperage we calculated should be about 40 something or 40, because the nameplate at the back of the panel says 10 point something amps, like 10.2 or so. So if it's like that, that means it should be around 48 amps, while this is 60 amps. So it's still okay. So this is the inverter. We are using Prague, and it is let's check the rating. Let's check the rating of the inverter. Where is it? This is a okay. This is a 48 volt. How many kV?